we are, arrived in France after quite a hard day. I must say, slightly more difficult than I was expecting. To keep the boat in a straight line with the waves and the paddling is quite difficult, but all worth it, and come to France on a nice sunny day. That's number 2 of the leg of Man of Steel, the kayak from England to France. How are you feeling?
No, pretty fresh. I think that was pretty horrific, actually.
What was the worst part of the challenge?
Last half an hour said we're going to miss the tide and we had to smash it. That was
The pace.
Yeah, pace was up. That was the fastest I could go. My arms are in pieces, but good. We're here.
Obviously, the bike is
Vive
next.
France.
The bike is next. How are you feeling about the third leg of Man of Steel?
It can't get much worse.
Do you think the 2 hardest ones are out of the way?
Nah, I've been dreading the cycle, so cycle's going to be the hardest for me, I reckon. Long distance every day.
And Beats, where are you? What's the hardest part of the challenge so far? You've done halfway through the challenge.
The run, I think, is going to be the hardest bit of all of it. I think the run, the cycle is just going to be long day, low impact. The mountains.
Who knows?
Yeah, it was tough, but we got through it in the end. First leg was good, but started early, so it's hard to get sort of revved up. But no, we battled through, got through the first stage, which was good. Then got to the second stage, which was we were fighting against the tide. We had to get back into France. We had about an hour. Was it about an hour and a half left? Yeah. So we just hit it perfectly, to be honest. Before then, we were a bit worried, weren't we? Aching and worried, but we got.
What was the overall time?
The overall time
And distance?
Yeah, I think it was just under 6 hours, and distance was about 21 miles. So
good. Where's John?